When it comes to health insurance giants, two names stand out, but which one really delivers? On one side, we have UnitedHealthcare, a leader in nationwide coverage. And on the other, Aetna, known for its flexible plans and benefits. Let's put the marketing aside and focus on what truly matters. We'll break it down category by category, awarding points along the way so you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's the game plan. We're gonna look at a handful of key categories, things like premiums and costs, network size, customer satisfaction, coverage options, and of course, how good the digital tools are. All the stuff you'd actually care about if you're picking a plan right. First up, let's talk premiums and costs. So UnitedHealthcare's really known for its thorough coverage, especially if you get insurance through an employer. Low out-of-pocket, usually yes. But I'm not gonna lie, if you're shopping solo, those premiums can be pretty steep, sometimes even pricier than the competition. Now, Aetna, you know what? Their rates are actually pretty competitive, especially if you're buying your own or covering the family. Plus, they tend to offer more HSA-friendly plans, which is a nice touch. Only downside, going out of network can get kinda expensive, but overall, between the two, Aetna's definitely the one to look at if you're trying to save some cash on premiums. Alright, let's move on to network size and access. So UnitedHealthcare, seriously, their network is massive. It's pretty much everywhere in the US, big cities, small towns, and even international options if you need it. The only catch is, if you're really out in the sticks, sometimes the options thin out. And then Aetna, they've got a big national network too, especially in the Northeast and in bigger cities. It can still be solid in a lot of places, but if you're rural, the reach is, well, just not quite as strong as UnitedHealthcare. So if you want the biggest menu of doctors and hospitals, UHC takes this one. So how about customer satisfaction? UnitedHealthcare's got a pretty strong mobile platform, like you can do almost everything from the app, and if you're on an employer plan, most people seem pretty happy. But once you get into things like claims and appeals, sometimes folks report slower responses or a bit of a runaround. Now Aetna, honestly, this is where they shine. Their customer support is super responsive and people love how easy their authorization process is. The only thing I'd nitpick is their app could definitely use an upgrade. But if you care about getting quick answers or help with your account, Aetna usually wins here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. UnitedHealthcare covers over 46 million Americans, which is huge. And Aetna, their history goes all the way back to 1853. Crazy how long these companies have been shaping health insurance. Next, coverage and plan variety. UnitedHealthcare, you want Medicare, Medicaid, employer plans, or extras like dental, vision, behavioral health, they've got the whole buffet. Only issue, the plan details can get kinda confusing. You might need to pull up a spreadsheet just to compare. Aetna covers a ton of ground too. ACA plans, Medicare, employer coverage, and their prescription drug features are actually pretty strong. They just don't have Medicaid plans everywhere. Really, picking a winner here's tough, they're both packed with options, so yeah, it's honestly a tie. Let's not forget digital tools and app experience, cause, come on, who actually calls insurance companies anymore, right? UnitedHealthcare's got these highly rated apps, my UHC rally, they make it easy to check claims, find benefits, all that jazz. New users can get a little overwhelmed with all the options on the portal though. On the flip side, Aetna keeps it simple with a super basic member website and a pared-down app. Which, okay, is less intimidating, but you definitely don't get as much functionality. If good digital tools are your priority, UnitedHealthcare has the edge here. If we map it all out, you'll see UnitedHealthcare basically dominates on network size and digital tools, while Aetna comes up strong for cost and customer satisfaction. And in the middle, both bring a solid range of plan choices. If you need coast-to-coast coverage, the best doctor access, or you love having everything at your fingertips, UnitedHealthcare's gonna make your life easier. But honestly, if you want something that feels more personal and maybe costs you a bit less, Aetna's kind of the crowd pleaser. Both have their strengths, right? If this helped your health insurance journey, hit that subscribe button for more clear, no-nonsense breakdowns.